Recent heavy rains in our area have been impacting farmers in California, including growers right here in the valley. News Channel 3's Tatum Larson has been speaking to local farmers about some of the impacts here to the growing season. Tatum.
Hi, John. Crops across the state have been drenched by the recent rain, which has made it tougher for some farmers to bring food to your table. I spoke to local farmers who told me that the effects of the rain may be coming to a grocery store near you. Heavy rain has made crop production a challenge for farmers across California. For some farmers in the valley, however, the extra water was welcome.
Well, our farm has been affected by the rain, but believe it or not, it's been affected in a good way.
Other farmers, like Mark Tadros, who is the president of Aziz Farms, says that the recent rain could have been a blessing or a curse depending on a farmer's crops.
Our farm right now, it hasn't terribly been affected, at least not our vegetable crops. You know, some things are a lot more susceptible. I know a local strawberry farmer whose production is a lot less this year than it was last year.
Tadros says that the crops that are facing the biggest challenges on their farm right now are the dates, but not because of the rain.
Our date field, my bigger concern is more from a climate perspective. It needs to be warm enough outside to have the pollen actually set on the flowers, and we've had some pretty volatile temperatures.
Other parts of the state, like Northern California, otherwise known as the salad bowl part of the state, are facing different problems, with reports of muddy fields, damaged crops, and unsuitable harvesting conditions due to the heavy rain. Tadros said that you may feel the effects of the soggy fields soon.
Supply should dip pretty soon. I would say, you know, mid to late April is when we might start feeling that at the retail store.
With these changes ahead, Tadros said that it's time to support local growers more than ever.
You know, we need to keep in mind that the number 2 economic driver of the Coachella Valley is agriculture. So supporting agriculture, supporting farmers, especially here at a local level, is really important.